Thank you for tuning in to today's town hall meeting. As you have surely noticed, we've had some glitches with these broadcasts. But rest assured, we will not be held hostage by an inferior video solution.
We have to save our CEO!
Look familiar? Whether you're using video for company broadcasts, internal communications, or employee onboarding and training, streaming video behind the firewall can be unpredictable and the source of a lot of stress. You might think your video platform is the problem, but in reality, it's probably your network. You see, there's plenty of bandwidth in the cloud, and there's plenty of bandwidth on the corporate LAN behind the firewall, but there's a major bottleneck in the connection between the two. A single person streaming a video is handled easily, but as more people start requesting the video, the internet connection is quickly saturated. And this bottleneck at the firewall is the reason your IT department doesn't love video the way you do. Fortunately, Ramp eCDN can change all that. Ramp eCDN is an enterprise content delivery network, the techie way of saying we fix those distribution problems. By reducing the amount of bandwidth video consumes, Ramp eCDN alleviates network congestion and makes sure your employees receive stable and reliable video, both live and on demand. So don't delay. Talk to your IT team today about Ramp eCDN, and together you can save your CEO.